Alright, yo, what is going on, everybody? As you can see, guys, we are back on the camera for you guys today. Today, as you guys can see, guys, I actually do have my phone screen on my OBS right now, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of a quick tutorial video again. TikTok actually released a 2020 Wraps, so it's kind of like Spotify, where you can see like your most recent your favorite songs you listen to, everything like that, guys. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a tutorial video. If you guys don't know, but there is a TikTok 2020 Wrap that you can look at. You can see like all like your stuff you watch and everything like that, all like the best sounds you've listened to and everything like that. So as you can see, my phone, I'm going to click the TikTok app. It's going to be a quick video. It's really easy to do. So if you guys don't know about this, hopefully some people like come across this video and actually know, like see that you can actually like see like a Wrapped about your TikTok account. So let's get straight into that, guys. Let's go. Okay, so when you guys click the app on your phone, I'm going to click TikTok right now. As you guys can see, guys, when you guys open the app right away, you can see right on the top left it says year on TikTok. So I think in order for you guys to actually get this rewind type thing, you guys have to spend a year on TikTok. I created my account, I think November 20th of 2019. I saw it on here. So let's click on it right now, guys. As you can see, I'm going to click on the TikTok little icon up here. And you can click get started, and then it will show you guys all your sounds and everything. It's just like a 2020 like wrap up, just like Spotify's. And yeah, guys, that's basically like one of the cool things that you can do if you have TikTok. You can scroll through your stuff. Like my account was created November 5th, 2019, everything like that, and like all the sounds you can see, like which most popular sound you've listened to and everything like that. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. And also there is a second way to actually do this. So what's it called? So some people might not have the thing on the top left. If you click it too much, it sometimes won't pop up for like another hour or so. So if you guys do not have the what's it called, the TikTok thing on the top left, you go to your search bar and you want to type in year on TikTok. As you can see right here, it says year on TikTok. You click that, and then as you can see, you can click it right on the top, guys, and it has that tab open for you right there, so you can just go on it. You can get started, look at your what's it called, look at your top sounds you listen to, everything like that, whatever it says. So yeah, guys, and you can post it on your account too if you want to. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope this helped if people don't know like or didn't know about this and want to actually go look at it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to click like button, subscribe if you're new, turn on that post notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Peace out, everybody.